I come from Venice. I was born in Venice in 1983. I grew up in between Venice and Murano Island. I started to blow glass at the age of 14 with my father. I'm a third generation chandelier maker. I started to follow my father's footsteps, and he teach me all the Venetian traditional Murano technique that takes me here today. I feel that I can share everything I learned from my family because I really like to share with people and teach. It makes me really happy and see the people learning from me. And actually, I spend a lot of time to create a different teaching method, different from the classic Murano method, because I think it's a little bit too strong. I think people can really learn way easier. So what I really enjoyed when I'm teaching is that I take really good care of all the details. In every single piece that we made, there are so many things behind. I like to explain them all slowly, step by step, in a way that the students can receive the information, but also he is in a situation, in a comfortable situation, that he can give me immediately the result. And this is something that really makes me happy. Being here for the second time and saw this audience, this amount of people super excited to see me in action and to take my class, it made me feel great, man. It's something that makes me believe in myself even more. So when those things happen, you're wondering to yourself, yes, am I doing the right thing? I think so, you know. I made a lot of large projects, especially in Asia. I've been working with a company, a light design company, that made just hotel 5-star project. For example, one of the masterpieces that I made is hanging in Shanghai at the Middle House Hotel. And the chandelier in the lobby is one of the largest Venetian Murano chandelier that it turned one of the 12 reasons for visiting Shanghai. Then we got so many other projects all around Asia. We used to cooperate with a lot of hotel brands like Hilton, Sheraton, Banyan Tree, Pavilion, a lot of brands. And in there, you can find a lot of my projects. I have the opportunity to travel around US and blowing glass in several different studios around the States. It was a game changer for me because I'm not the only person that teach. You know, you guys are teaching me a lot to me, no matter if we don't talk. I just need to see something and then immediately I get inspired to try to do something different. And in US, it's allowed for me to make mistake because I don't have that pressure that I got when I'm working in my family studio because we have a schedule to follow. You know, I'm more relaxed and I can make mistake, and through mistake, you learn, you create something new. And in here is something that I can make it. I really enjoy to learn from you guys. It's different, something different, it's an opportunity. What I'm actually trying to do recently, in the past 2 years, is opening a sort of artistic glass academy in Italy in my studio, where I can host all the students, guest artists, and teach as I'm doing in US, in my hometown. Also to give the opportunity to the people to have the Murano experience, to be in the land where this movement was created. It's been a pleasure for me to be in here at the Benzaiten studio and teaching this chandelier class. I'm so grateful to be in here, and I really say thanks to everybody. Thanks to the Benzaiten again to give me this opportunity once again in my life.